Good morning, students. I am R.K. Yadav. Today we will study about polynomials, chapter 2, mathematics of class 9. What is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression which includes constant variables and exponents with some operations, addition and subtraction. Suppose polynomial is an algebraic expression like this is a x square plus 2x plus 3. This is an algebraic expression. It contains constants. Here 2 and 3 are constants, variables, x is variables, and exponents, and power of variable is exponent. So this is polynomial in one variable. This is polynomial in one variable. Polynomial in one variable. It may be 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable, and so on. For example, x plus 3y plus z square. This is polynomial in 3 variables. Here x, y, z are variables and power of x is exponent, here 1, y exponent is 1, z exponent is 2. The polynomial, what is polynomial? Is an algebraic expression which include constants, variables and exponents. There are some conditions for exponents. Exponents must be in the form of whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. Exponents must be in the form of this. This is the condition for exponents. And suppose an example, x power 7 plus x power 3 by 2 plus 5. This is not a polynomial. Because the exponent of variable x is in the form of 3 by 2. So exponents must be in the form of whole number, not in the form of fraction. Next example, take x square plus x power 7 minus root x plus 7. This is not a polynomial because under root x means x power 1 by 2. This is not a polynomial. So here we see that what is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression which includes constants, variable and exponents. It may be in 1 variable, 2 variable or 3 variable or 4 variable and so on. This example is polynomial in one variable. Here variable is x, and it consists three terms, 1, 2, 3, and coefficient of x square is 1, coefficient of x is 2, and 3 is constant term. This consists three terms. This is also consists three terms, and this is known as a polynomial in three variables, 1, 2, 3, and coefficient of y is 3, coefficient of z square is 1, and coefficient of z is 1, and so on. So this is the important condition: exponent must be in the form of whole number. Let one more example: x square plus 1 by x. This is also not a polynomial, because it is equal to x square plus x power minus 1. The exponent of this x is minus 1. This is not whole numbers, so this is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. Now, general form of polynomial in one variable. Now we will study the polynomial in one variable. Polynomial is denoted by p and variable x. This is denoted by px equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus a2 x power 2 plus a1 x power 1 plus a0 x power 0, where an is not equal to 0, and this is the general form of polynomial. Here variable is x, and constants are a0, a1, a2, a0, a1, a2, a3 up to an, and coefficients an is the coefficient of x power n. Similarly, an minus 1 is the coefficient of x power n minus 1. Similarly, an minus 2 is the coefficient of x n minus 2. an minus 2 is the coefficient of x power n minus 2. Similarly, a2 is the coefficient of x square. In middle dot dot dot, a2 is the coefficient of x square. a1 is the coefficient of x, and a0 is constant term. a0 is constant term, and this is the coefficient of x power 0, or you can say that it is the coefficient of x power 0 also. Now let's here now we will start the types of polynomials. Next topic is the types of polynomial. Types of polynomials. We divide the polynomials into basis. First is on the basis of terms, and second is on the basis of degree, and on the basis of term. On the basis of terms, first is monomial, second is binomial, third is trinomial. Monomial means it consists one term. For example, x square, this is consist only one terms. Binomial, it contains two terms, x plus 2. Trinomial, this consists three terms, x square plus 7x minus 5. This is monomial, consists one terms. Binomial consists one and two terms, 1 2. This consists two terms. Trinomials means it consists three terms. This is on the basis of terms. This is one terms, two terms, and here three terms. Terms are differentiated by plus and minus sign. And second is degree. On the basis of degree, in general, when the degree is 1, this is known as linear. When degree is 2, then this polynomial is known as quadratic. When degree is 3, this is known as cubic, and degree is 4, then biquadratic. When degree is 1, this is linear. When degree is 2, then quadratic. When degree is 3, then cubic, polynomial. And when degree is 4, then biquadratic. Now first we will study what is degree. What is degree? What is degree? Degree is the highest power of the variable in the polynomial is the degree of the polynomial. For example, a polynomial x square plus x power 5 plus 3x minus 7. What will be its degree? Its degree equal to the highest power of the variable. Here power of x is 2, power of x is 5, power of x is 1. The highest power of x is 5. So degree equal to 5. So when degree equal to 1, then the polynomial is known as linear. For example, x plus 2, here degree is 1. Quadratic polynomial, when the highest power is 2, for example 5x square plus 2x plus pi, the highest power is 2, this is quadratic. Cubic, highest power is 3, suppose 7x cube plus x square. Highest power is 3. This is cubic polynomial. Biquadratic, highest power is 4. X power 4 plus 3x square plus 7x. The highest power is 4. So this is known as biquadratic. In this case, in the case of linear, degree equal to 1. In the case of quadratic, degree equal to 2. In the case of cubic, degree equal to 3, and biquadratic, degree equal to 4. And there are some special polynomials on the basis of degree. On the basis of this degree, suppose fifth one is when a polynomial, constant polynomial, there are some two special types of polynomial. One is constant polynomial and second is zero polynomial. In the case of constant polynomial, degree is 0. In this case, degree equal to 0, and for zero polynomial, degree equal to not defined. In this case, constant polynomial, example of constant polynomial is 7, 2 by 5, minus 11, etc. The degree of all these constant polynomial is 0 because 7 is written as 7 into 1 equal to 7 into x power 0. X power 0 equal to 1. So 1 can be written as x power 0. So its degree is 0. Highest power of variable equal to this. So degree equal to 0. The constant polynomial degree is 0. Similarly, 2 by 5 can be written as 2 by 5 into 1. 1 means x power 0. Its degree is 0. 11 can be written as minus 11 into 1. 1 is x power 0. So its degree is 0. And what is zero polynomial? 0 is zero polynomial. Its example is 0. So 0 can be written as 0 into x power 5. In this case, degree is 5. But 0 also can be written as 0 into x power 7. 0 can be written as 0 into x power 35. So here we see that the degree means power of x, here 5, so degree is 5, here degree is 7, here degree is 35. The degree are changed. There are no certain degree for 0. So we can say that degree of 0 polynomial is not defined. Its degree is not defined. Now let's start some questions of exercise. Here exercise 2.1. Question number 1. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reason for your answer. which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable? Polynomial in one variable. So here x and x, this is one variable and power is in the form of whole number. So first is polynomial, second is y power 2, and here one variable, this is also polynomial, and here in third part t is under root, here means t power 1 by 2 in the form of fraction, so that this is not polynomial because the exponent of this t is not whole number. This is not polynomial because when you write this expression, then this is equal to y plus 2y power minus 1. This is when you write in numerator, then it becomes y power minus 1. So power of variable will not negative. So this is not polynomial. And here the degree are in whole number, but there are three variables x, y and t. But in question, which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable? There are three variables, so this is not polynomial in one variable, it is polynomial in three variables. So only 1 and 2 are polynomials in one variable, and 3, 4 and 5 are not polynomial in one variable. Question number 2, write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Coefficient of x square. Question 2, first part, write the coefficient of x square. Here in first case, coefficient of x square is 1. In second part, coefficient of x square is minus 1, and in third part, coefficient of x square is 5 by 2, and here x square term are missing, so coefficient of x square is 0. Question third, give one example each of binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of degree 100. Question third, give one example each of a binomial of degree 35. Binomial means there are two terms, means x and degree 35, x power 35 plus here second term you write any number or in the form of variable x power 7, the highest power is 35. There will be so many examples for this binomials whose degree is 35. And third is its second part is monomial of degree 100. Monomial of degree 100 means x power 100 or y power 100. There are only one terms, or 2x power 100. There will be so many examples for this. So this is the answer for second. Third. Question number 4. Question number 4 is write the degree of each of the following polynomials. So in first part, the highest power of the variable is 3, so its degree is 3. In second case, the highest power of y is 2, second its degree equal to 2. In third case, highest power of the variable t is 1, so in third case there will be its degree 1.